Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about the Smog Check program in California. A lot of folks get anxious when they get that notice in the mail that you need to smog your vehicle. It's nothing to be too anxious about. If your vehicle is older than 6 years, you're required to smog it here in the state of California to register it. If you bring a vehicle in from out of state, you'll be required to smog it also to do the initial registration in California. The best option when it comes to smog is STAR test and repair stations. The reason for that is STAR test and repair stations can smog any vehicle that's required to be smogged, and they can also repair any concerns on a vehicle no matter how large or small they are when it comes to smog in California. Some of your other options are test-only stations that can also test any vehicle, but they cannot do any repairs. And then there are just repair stations also that can repair but can't smog vehicles, and test and repair that can't do directed vehicles. We're speaking about this today for a couple reasons, mainly because we're trying to help folks understand if you have a 99 or older vehicle, it must be done on a dyno. If you have 2000 or newer, it's done on the new DAD system. If you have questions about this, you can always check out westautomotivegroup.com. I'm Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.